what's going on, everyone? So we're back with Adam from AW Tuning. The last video we did with him was of his RS6, absolute animal of a car. Today we are in a Skoda Octavia. How would you say it? Luke tells me, no, Octavia.
Yeah, no, it's definitely Octavia.
Octavia. Yeah, we're in a Skoda Octavia. It's been tuned, obviously, so we'll get to that. But you want to go up that way, Adam. And yeah, so standard specs, what it cost you. What was it when you first bought it?
Well, this standard is 170 brake, which is bought as a daily. So
yeah.
That's pretty much all I wanted.
Yeah.
Mapped it up, did coilovers, bits and pieces, then blew a turbo on it.
Uh-huh.
So
talk a bit more through the tuning aspect. So what did you do? Stage 1 turbo, turbo, or what
did
was it?
stage 1,
Yep.
which is 205 brake.
Yep.
Then turbo went. The turbo didn't go. The actuator went.
Yep.
So as I'm taking it off, I know that they can go anyway. So I'll just get it made a hybrid. So
Fair enough.
made it into a hybrid, and at the moment it's running our stage 2 software with the hybrid turbo, so it's not mapped properly for the turbo. So and it's 215 brake horsepower, I think, roughly, just under that.
Right, okay.
On a dyno. Not 100% sure what we're going to get out of it.
Do you know the torque figures?
Not off the top of my head. It was about a year and a half ago that I
guess
actually
we'll find out how torque it is up this hill.
Yeah.
Is that all induction?
No, that's exhaust.
Is it?
Yeah.
Sounds like we're in a fighter. Once it gets going, it really does start pulling, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Quick enough for a daily.
Exactly.
So you got future plans for it, or is this where you want to leave it as soon as you're driving it every day?
I don't know. I'm gonna get it mapped in. Hopefully soon. I'll get it up to racing line, and we'll put it on the dynos and see what we can get out of it.
Yeah.
But other than that, I've always said I wanted air ride, but I don't know.
Yeah.
I don't know. It's a daily, but I don't take it to shows. So
I said, like I said when I turned up, I don't think I've seen an estate VRS, and it might look good slammed.
yeah.
Yeah, it might look good on some air ride.
God, that hill was so much slower than last time.
Yeah.
I'm seeing everything in the
Let's see how
we're
far
only
it
here.
is. It's a big difference, ain't it? It's a difference.
He just doesn't even hang about. It's like,
My God. I'm trying to think. I don't think of different. What type of speed is that?
oh, Jesus Christ.
So AW Tuning. I think we touched on it on the RS6 video, but what do you guys do? I know you specialise in VAG.
So yeah, pretty much any tuning on, specialise in VAG, as you say.
Yeah.
But we do quite a lot of different things. Like today, I've been doing a 730D, DPF delete, AGR delete, bits and pieces like that. We don't get enough time on different turbos and stuff like that.
Yeah.
But we're more the stage 1, stage 2s, the stage 2 plus, that sort of stuff. Unless you've got like your Golf or your MQB chassis, then we've got the stage 3 turbo coupe from racing line. So.
drove the work vans.
Oh right, yeah.
But one thing you notice straight away is you do the torque, isn't it? You don't.
Yeah.
Like you only touch like feathering the throttle. And
Yeah.
You can feel how torque it is. But obviously with a diesel,
It's
you don't
actually,
get to rev. You don't get to rev out very
Yeah.
far.
It's actually really responsive for a diesel.
Yeah.
So,
You said you had coilovers on this?
yeah. So
Did they make much of a difference to the ride?
Yeah, obviously it's a lot more firm than what it was standard. But when you jump from this into some of the, like, so these are budget coilovers.
Yeah.
And if we jump into something that's got, say, VMAXs or STs, which are brilliant coilovers as like a mid-range coilover, a lot of people have said they can't believe how good these actually ride compared to like a mid-range coilover.
Yeah. It's that short, like having the short shift because you're running out of RPM. It's good though. It's pretty pokey, isn't it?
Yeah. Good for a daily.
I think that noise is great. Take away the exhaust, like when you get on a petrol car, like my car,
Yeah,
a Lucas car, whatever, or the RS6. Take all that away, you can just hear like engine symphony.
Yeah.
It's actually pretty good. I actually really like that noise.
Yeah. The fluttering noise is cool. As I say, when it gets mapped, I'm so hoping that doesn't disappear when they're actually controlling the boost properly.
Yeah. I remember the first time I had my car mapped, the dump valve noise got so much better.
Yeah, because it was
more of
a lot more dump. A lot more boost.
Yeah.
So it's got a lot more to dump.
When you're really on chat, it's almost like a squeal. It's like. I actually really enjoy driving this. Something different. It's a bit more, a bit more refined than I wouldn't say luxury, but like just nice. You don't have to think about it so much.
Yeah.
Right. Cool. Cheers, Adam. Thanks very much.
No worries.
Guys, don't forget to check out awtuning.co.uk and Instagram awtuning.
Yep.
Forget about the karting because it's probably not going to go up before then, but don't forget to follow us on Instagram @rline_RT and don't press the like on this video and subscribe button. And actually, guys, go check out the website because we've updated it a bit and we're trying to get more traffic over there. So yeah, we'll see you on the next video.